In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iubenda with your WordPress site. Integrating iubenda into your website ensures compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA, making it an essential tool for website owners looking to build trust with their visitors. So, let's dive right into the process and get your site set up. First things first, we need to install and activate the iubenda plugin on your WordPress dashboard. To begin, navigate to your WordPress admin area. You'll want to look for the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Plugins, then go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Plugins section, click on the Add New button, which is usually displayed near the top of your page. Now, it's time to search for the iubenda plugin. Type iubenda, all-in-one compliance for GDPR, CCPA cookie consent plus more, into the search bar. This plugin is specifically designed to help ensure that your website meets the necessary compliance standards. Once the search results load, look for the iubenda plugin in the list of options provided. You'll recognize it by its full name, which we've talked about earlier. Once you've found the correct plugin, you'll see an option to Install Now. Click on that button, and WordPress will handle the rest of the downloading process for you. This should only take a moment, so sit tight. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate, because this is what will actually get the iubenda plugin up and running on your WordPress site. Great! Now that you have activated the plugin, you'll notice that a new item labeled iubenda has appeared in your WordPress admin menu. Having this option in your menu will make it super convenient for you to access iubenda settings directly from the admin dashboard whenever you need to, allowing you to quickly manage compliance-related tasks and settings right from your WordPress site. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated the iubenda plugin on your WordPress site. This plugin will now help you manage all your compliance needs efficiently. You can explore the iubenda menu for additional settings and configurations to ensure your site not only complies with current regulations, but also reassures your visitors that their data is protected and respected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.